All you need is aluminum foil in the dishwasher to avoid having to replace your appliance. Aluminum foil has many uses, not just for food packaging. It turns out it's also a great helper in tackling residue and dullness on dishes. Its anti-corrosive properties help restore shine, making glasses look like new. Just tear off a piece of foil, place it in the dishwasher basket, gently slipping it between the bars that hold the plates. Then, add your glasses and run the dishwasher as usual. Streaks, residue, and cloudy spots on glasses are common problems that ruin the clean effect. However, after the washing cycle is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. The glasses will be spotless, streak-free, and their shine will truly dazzle. Instead of spending time polishing, the aluminum foil will do it for you. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny glasses. Everyone will surely ask how you keep them in such great condition.